my W.H.I-Why channel. This is my first explanation video, guys. Enjoy. Why? Why is the balloon inflating? Mom, this is a question I need to know.
Let's try to answer this question. But before we do, let's take a few steps back. What did we do?
First, we added vinegar to the bottle.
This is the vinegar molecule, and we add it to the bottle. Here you can see the red square and white circle indicates a vinegar molecule, and there is more than one. Above here in the empty part of the bottle is some
air molecules.
Then what did we do?
Then add baking soda, which is a solid.
This is the baking soda molecule.
So, a solid is heavier than the vinegar, so it sinks down to the bottom of the bottle. For the reaction to take place, the bottle needs to be shaken.
Okay, let's shake this. There we shake it.
Shake the bottle.
The baking soda dissolves in the vinegar. While we
shake it.
Yeah. The vinegar and baking soda reacts to form carbon dioxide, water, and sodium acetate. Now, how does that happen? It actually has two steps in this reaction. First, the sodium breaks loose and binds with the acetate, and the hydrogen binds with the carbon hydroxyl group. But this newly formed molecule is unstable and it breaks down to form H2O, which is
water.
Yes, two hydrogens and one oxygen is actually water. And also carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide is a gas.
Great.
All molecules are dissolved.
Here you can see this is the carbon dioxide molecule, the water, and the sodium acetate.
The carbon dioxide moves toward the surface. The carbon dioxide moves towards the surface. During the movement, carbon dioxide molecules group together to form bubbles.
Now let's see what happens. There it groups together, and the pressure of the carbon dioxide bubbles on the surface increases because the bubbles are increased and the molecules and gas molecules are sticking together. It becomes bigger than the surface tension. The bubbles explode to the air above the surface. There it explodes because it's breaking the surface tension.
Because of the velocity, the freed carbon dioxide, it rises upwards.
And upwards.
And
upwards.
And upwards. And upwards. And into the balloon.
So yes, the carbon dioxide and some of the air in the bottle fills the balloon, and that causes it to inflate.
Oh, so it's the carbon dioxide gas that fills the balloon. Please subscribe. Otherwise, I will hunt you down with a gas balloon. Beep.